my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So I'm sure everybody has tasted scrambled eggs, but what about the vegetarians? Like अब मैं हूँ, मुझे तो खैर मैं एग नहीं खाती हूँ, तो आज मैं आप सबके लिए लाई हूँ पनीर भुर्जी, you know. And as you can see, my husband is helping me, and because I you know, cutting part I really don't like it, especially when it's onion to be, you know, I'm not a very good fine you know, chopper in case of the vegetables, especially with onions. So it's a big hassle because मेरे back home में before match I never had like, you know, onions. So अभी तक मुझे practice नहीं हुई है. So yes, stay tuned. And अभी उसके preparation के लिए what we have taken is, we have taken 1 onion, if you can see, 2 tomatoes, green coriander, green chilies, और वो slab मैंने दिखाया हुआ है आपको पनीर का. And please don't forget to wash your vegetables before you cut. So yes, stay tuned, and I'll be showing you the preparation part as well. So guys, I am shredding the cheese. आप इसे हाथ से भी कर सकते हैं. You can do it with hands. I mean, as long as your hands are washed and clean. But I'm doing it with a hand, you know, shredder, so that I'll get a really fine cheese things. So yes. You know what? My husband, he loves cooking and he has a passion for cooking. So you know, whenever he's home, he tries his best to help me. But yeah, to be very honest, most of the time he's not home. So whenever he's home, he tries to help me and participate in my cooking. And he enjoys cooking a lot as well. Preparation is the part which he really enjoys. So you know what? Whenever I say, okay, you know, अच्छा अभी तो आज ये बनाना है, and I have to cut vegetables or I have to cut this, he says, okay, don't worry about that. I'm gonna do it for you. So yes, that's the best part. And I say, okay, yeah, why not? You know. So yes, we'll just do this and start cooking in a minute. I have taken 2 teaspoons of oil. As I told you, I'm using canola oil. You can use vegetable oil as well. And the oil is hot now, so I put cumin seed, half spoon. Cumin seed डाले हैं, and then I'm putting some onions. And trust me, it doesn't take long. And this is a very quick kind of recipe. ये लाइट ब्राउन हो गए हैं. एंड मेक श्योर वी डोंट हैव टू मेक इट डार्क ब्राउन, वी हैव टू मेक इट लाइट ब्राउन. and because I don't want onions to be overcooked or even very well cooked, just light brown. And now is the time we'll add some onions, and I'm putting green chilies, 2 green cut chilies along with this. Yeah, and then try to mash them, but that you can do only after when it's cooked, like just half cooked, because I don't want that when you eat पनीर भुर्जी मुंह में नहीं आना चाहिए आपके, तो इसको मैश कर दें अच्छे से. Sorry. I think the tomatoes are done. So okay guys, before I forget, the cheese I have shredded is it is a cottage cheese. It's actually paneer जिसे हम बोलते हैं, paneer, we call it paneer, and it's cottage cheese. We buy here, you buy it as a cottage cheese, और बैक होम इंडिया में हम पनीर जैसे आम पनीर बाय करते हैं वो होती है ये. और अब इसमें मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, गैस करूँगी थोड़ी सी कम, एंड देन इसमें ज़्यादा मसाले बिल्कुल भी नहीं जाते हैं. क्विक salt 1 spoon or just little more, like depending on your taste. Red, and it should be degi mirch, red chilies goes inside just for the color. You can make it spicy as per your taste. Green coriander, oh no, sorry, not green coriander, I'm sorry, dried coriander seeds powder, and then you can add half teaspoon of turmeric, and then just mix it well. And won't take long when you put the spices, Okay, now what I'm doing, I'm just adding a little bit of amchur, that is dried mango powder. Every time I've been cooking without amchur, and I keep saying, oh, I don't have amchur, you can also put chaat masala. But this time I made sure that I bought amchur, and this is optional. I mean, it adds to the taste, thoda khatta banata hai isko. And yes, and this is the time when we add our cottage cheese. You can also add peas into this, but I sometimes make it with peas, but this time I'm not making with peas. I'm just making it like this, like as this says paneer ki bhurji. So I'm making it only with cottage cheese. सिर्फ पनीर के साथ ही बना रही हूँ मैं. Okay guys, this looks like it is done, because if it leaves the container, see, if it starts leaving the container of the container where you're cooking, it means it is done. And once again, it's not vegan, it's vegetarian, because we have used cheese. Okay, so yes, now it's done. It's time to turn off your gas. And what I'll do is I'll just add a little bit of coriander on the top, and I leave a little bit of coriander in the side, when I'll serve, I'll put here. So yes, this is all done, and hope you liked it.